Manyavar enhanced their online visibility with SEO. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating case study of Manyavar, India's leading ethnic wear brand, and how they enhanced their online visibility through strategic SEO efforts. From tackling technical challenges to optimizing festive pages, Manyavar's journey is a masterclass in leveraging SEO for growth. Let's break it all down. Introduction. Founded in 1999, Manyavar specializes in traditional Indian wear, offering sherwanis, kurtas, and suits for weddings, festivals, and other celebrations. With over 600 stores across India and a growing online presence, Manyavar aimed to dominate the digital space by improving organic rankings and driving non-brand traffic. Their partnership with Infidigit helped them achieve remarkable results. In this video, we'll explore the challenges they faced, the solutions implemented, and the impressive outcomes of their SEO strategy. The challenges. Manyavar faced several obstacles that hindered their online visibility. 1. Missing core category pages. Important pages for key product categories were absent. 2. Under-optimized content. Existing content failed to target high-value keywords effectively. 3. Lack of internal linking. Poor internal linking reduced site navigation and SEO performance. 4. Unorganized header tags. Improper use of header tags impacted search engine readability. 5. Lower rankings for high search volume keywords. They struggled to rank for competitive keywords. The strategy. To overcome these challenges, Manyavar implemented a multifaceted SEO strategy. 1. Switching to server-side rendering. Manyavar's website initially used client-side rendering, which limited search engine crawling. Switching to server-side rendering ensured better crawling and indexing of web pages. 2. Optimizing festive pages. As a brand synonymous with celebrations, Manyavar created dedicated festive pages tailored to search intent. These pages targeted keywords like Diwali ethnic wear and wedding sherwani, improving SERP visibility. 3. Dynamic footer links. Added relevant footer links across all pages to enhance internal linking. This improved user navigation and boosted metrics like session duration and pages per session. 4. Blog optimization. Launched an optimized blog section featuring topics like top sherwani styles for weddings or how to choose the perfect kurta. Conducted audits to ensure compliance with technical SEO best practices. 5. Keyword optimization. Conducted in-depth keyword research to identify high-value terms related to ethnic wear. Optimized meta titles, descriptions, and header tags for better rankings. The results. The results of these efforts were extraordinary. 541.46% increase in organic rankings. Top 1 positions. Manyavar achieved top rankings for competitive keywords. 101.85% improvement in organic rankings. Top 5 positions. Their visibility on page 1 improved significantly. 146.88% increase in organic sessions. More users visited their website organically. Here's a table summarizing the key metrics. Metric improvement. Organic rankings, top 1, plus 541.46%. Organic rankings, top 5, plus 101.85%. Organic sessions plus 146.88%. Example. Optimizing festive pages. Let's take a detailed example of how Manyavar optimized their festive pages. 1. Keyword targeting. Identified keywords like Diwali ethnic wear and traditional wedding outfits. 2. Content creation. Developed engaging descriptions highlighting product features like fabric quality and craftsmanship. Added FAQs targeting long-tail queries such as what is the best attire for Indian festivals? 3. Internal linking. Linked festive pages to related blogs like styling tips for Diwali or wedding outfit trends. 4. Schema implementation. Used structured data for reviews and FAQs to appear in rich snippets. By implementing these changes, Manyavar attracted more relevant traffic during festive seasons. Tools and resources. Here are some tools that helped Manyavar achieve their goals. 1. Keyword research and tracking. SEMrush for identifying high-value keywords. Google Keyword Planner to analyze search volumes. 2. Technical SEO tools. Screaming Frog to identify technical issues like broken links. Gmetrics for improving page speed. 3. Content optimization. Yoast SEO for optimizing meta tags and readability. Grammarly to ensure error-free writing. 4. Analytics and reporting. Google Analytics to track organic traffic growth. Ahrefs for backlink analysis and competitor research. 5. Schema implementation tools. Rank Math for adding structured data schemas. Key takeaways. Here are some lessons from Manyavar's success story. 1. Switch to server-side rendering. Ensure your website is crawlable by search engines for better indexing. 2. Create dedicated pages for seasonal campaigns. Optimize pages targeting specific events or festivals relevant to your audience. 3. Enhance internal linking. Use dynamic footer links to improve site navigation and SEO metrics. 4. Leverage blogs for engagement. Publish high-quality blogs targeting informational queries to drive top-of-funnel traffic. 5. Optimize keywords strategically. Focus on high-value terms that align with user intent and seasonal trends. Conclusion. Manyavar's journey demonstrates the power of a well-executed SEO strategy combined with content optimization and technical improvements. By focusing on user intent, creating festive pages, building internal links, and addressing technical issues, they achieved remarkable growth in organic rankings and sessions. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with others who might benefit from these strategies. And most importantly, subscribe now to our channel for more case studies and actionable tips on digital marketing success. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.